The very moment you step into that empty apartment ashore, you're met with chaotic ambiguity. The routine just vanishes. The built-in community of a crew is totally gone, leading to immediate social isolation. And most dangerously, you step into a massive identity vacuum. Being a captain, a chief engineer, or a deck officer isn't just what you do, right? It becomes who you are. Your job is so deeply intertwined with your sense of self that removing that uniform literally feels like removing a part of your own personality. So if you take absolutely nothing else away from this explainer, remember this: transition is psychological before it is professional. You cannot just update your resume, sign a lease on an apartment, and expect your brain to instantly adapt to civilian life. The mind absolutely has to process the loss of the sea before your career can successfully take root on the shore.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that when that identity vacuum hits, our immediate instinct is to panic and just try to patch the holes. People naturally try to instantly replicate what they had. They demand a high-level position ashore right out of the gate. They try to immediately replace their massive maritime salary. And this rush, this panic, this is exactly what leads to failure. Because while we're so distracted trying to replace a salary and a title, we completely miss the quiet, heavy realities. We vastly underestimate financial adaptation, the reality of actually paying for groceries, rent, and daily expenses that were previously just covered by the boat.